Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I've been driving around for hours in the middle of nowhere and I just rolled into this abandoned village. No people, nothing, it's completely empty.
Kinda creepy, not gonna lie. But that's not why we're here. I'm hoping there's an abandoned vehicle hiding somewhere in this place. Let's head down this road toward those houses. Maybe there's something over there. I really hope so because I'm honestly tired of driving at this point.
Oh, hold up, what's that sitting over there? Let's pull up closer and get a better look. No way, guys, look at this! It's a G-Wagon with police lights. Let's stop right here.
I'm pulling in, throwing it in park, shutting it off, and we're going in.
All right, let's check it out.
I honestly can't believe what I'm seeing. If any of you know what year this police G-Wagon is, tell me in the comments.
I can't even guess. It's old. Okay, the tire is flat, but yeah, that's not surprising at all. Let's walk around the side and take a closer look at this thing. Oh look, I think the window is missing. Yep, there's just some plastic film here. I mean, better than nothing.
And the door handle is gone too, so this door isn't opening.
But this door right here should open. I'm really curious what's inside.
Okay, got it open. It's a mess in here. But look what's on the seat, handcuffs and a police helmet. Wow.
I've only seen stuff like this in movies. This helmet looks legit too, like actually heavy duty.
Some random folder, not really my thing. But down there, there's another mask. That one is straight up terrifying, like something out of a video game.
And it's got a filter on it. Do cops actually carry stuff like that in their vehicles?
Glove box won't even close, whatever. But look, there's a police baton right here. Somebody definitely got bonked with this at some point. What do you think? I would not want to take that to the back, ever. And these gloves caught my eye too, tactical gloves. They actually look pretty sick. Yo, look at that, weapons. This one's a pistol, it looks like a Glock 18 or something. It's all beat up, looks kind of cool, but I'm leaving it right where it is. I don't need that kind of problem.
This old fence is basically fused to the truck at this point, but I'm gonna help it unstick. Time to show some strength.
Oh, easy. Now I've got access to the driver's side. Door opens smooth, but inside, dust everywhere.
All right, let's try the other door too. And there's some clothing here too. Doesn't really look like standard police gear, maybe old school. Let me unfold it. Yeah, I can't tell. If you know what this is, drop it in the comments. Oh wait, what is this? Ugh, this thing is in the way. Okay, move. I'm putting you over here. And this goes right on top too.
Finally, I got to the shotgun. That's wild. Have you guys ever held a shotgun in your hands? I haven't.
If you know what model this is, tell me. I'm guessing something like an XM whatever, but I have no clue. Okay, what's going on here? The hood release lever is broken. Great, it's just dangling. So how am I supposed to pop the hood? All right, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna destroy my fingers doing this. There's not even a gap. It won't open from this side at all. It's sealed tight. I don't see anything, no lever, nothing.
Oh, hold on. There's something under all this mud. Yep, it says PO lease.
As if the lights on top weren't a big enough hint. Still, that's official proof. Haha, got it. Something was holding it. Move that, and let's open this miracle.
Okay, this engine looks kind of weird. I'm not sure it's original. What does it say under all that dust?
No way! That's a Toyota engine. Like a JZ or something? Guys, that's actually not bad at all.
If you know engines, jump in the comments. This pipe is just laying here loose. Is that normal?
Then again, it's abandoned. What did I expect? Wiring looks okay-ish, but where does this one go?
I have no idea what's happening yet, but I definitely need my tools.
All right, let's go grab the good stuff. Tools time.
Here's my toolbox. Open it up, and let's think what else we need besides screwdrivers and sockets.
Coolant. We definitely need coolant. Grab it. We'll top it off right now.
All this needs a quick wipe and to be shoved back where it belongs. Good enough.
And to be shoved back where it belongs. Good enough. Put the coolant away. Now I'll grab the sockets I need and we'll keep wrenching. This thing right here has to be bolted down. I have no idea who took it off or why. Any guesses? Tell me in the comments.
And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content.
All right, we're ready. Let's seat it back in. It's honestly annoying, but at least it'll be how it's supposed to be.
Crank, crank, crank. By the way, I'm curious, what do you guys drive? Drop it in the comments. Maybe someone's got something super rare.
The rhythmic clicking sound of the ratchet wrench is heard as he tightens the bolts. You have to be careful reaching down here. Once you get the extension seated, just a few good turns should do it.
Okay, finally finished tightening. Now what's next? This pipe needs to be connected properly. I'll clean it up a bit and put it back in place. Pipe is done, clamp is tightened. Oh, battery, that's what I need. Almost forgot. I'm dropping this heavy battery into its spot. Terminals look alive. Let's hook it up.
Main thing is good contact. Yep, we've got contact. That's awesome. Patient is alive.
Put all the tools back and I'm heading into the cabin.
Now the important part. I went straight under the hood like a genius, and I didn't even properly check the interior first.
Ooh, I'm lucky today. The keys are actually sitting right here in plain sight. They look kind of weird, but whatever.
Stick it in, let's try to start it. Nope, something's off. Not cranking.
All right, let's try the second key. No way! Did you hear that beep?
I'm genuinely shocked. The dash lights up. Okay, one more try. I can't believe this.
And there's even fuel in it, look. All right, this is the home stretch.
Let's start it. Something's not right. It won't fire.
No, come on, buddy. I'm tired. One more try and you're starting, okay? Wait, it started!
No way, it's running. Oh, never mind, it still stalls. Come on, what is the problem?
All right, let's check again. Talk to me, buddy. Why won't you stay running? Maybe.
Oh, there's the problem. Looks like this connector wasn't plugged in.
Let's fix it real quick and try again.
Come on, don't let me down. Nice, it's running clean.
Look at that, it's not stalling anymore. Runs like a clock. Let's give it a little rev. I'm so happy right now. It's honestly crazy that this is working. But one thing is kind of bothering me. Hold on, I don't get it. Look, there's no exhaust coming out of the pipe.
Well, okay. Not a huge deal as long as we don't gas ourselves inside the cabin. Time to pump up the tires.
I'm grabbing my favorite compressor. I always keep it with me. I love this thing. It's never let me down.
Do you guys have a favorite tool? Tell me in the comments.
Plug it in carefully and we're rolling.
Now connect it to the battery and we wait a bit.
Job done. Time to pack up.
Compressor back in the bag, disconnect from the battery, and toss it in the trunk.
Close the hood. Hopefully it actually latches. Windshield is still filthy though. How am I supposed to drive like this? We'll survive. I'm not cleaning all of it right now.
Oh man, even the transmission shifted normally. I've got insane emotions right now. Almost as insane as driving when I can barely see anything. But that's fine. Our goal is just to move away from here a bit.
You hear that? Either something's rattling or it sounds like music. Hard to tell at first.
Right, we'll stop around here. We're not going far.
There it is. The beauty. Covered in dirt, rotten underneath, holes everywhere.
Could be bullet holes. Could just be time doing its thing. That light popped out, but that's not a problem.
We'll put it back.
Alright friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you enjoy these kinds of finds. Hit like for this police G-Wagon and tell me in the comments what you think about it.
And don't forget to check out the previous episodes too.
Thanks again. See you in the next one.